Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing lead magnet that is highly custom to your audience. This is ours. See, you start, there's kind of a usual lead magnet when you leave your information. Then you have some question. I'm going to go all the way down. When you finish, you're able to get a result, but also specific actionable insights. If you haven't heard of it, ScoreApp is a great quiz marketing platform. I mean, you're able to create a lead magnet based on a quiz, and the responses could be used to either detect pain points for your clients and also ease up that process and add value for them. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of how this works. And the great thing here is that you can use existing, let's say, templates. And I'm going to pick a template specifically for marketing agencies. They are great. I'm going to here for most popular ones. And check it out. So once you select one template, you can just ask ChatGPT to completely scrape your website. And customize this template so you can have a tailored result, and of course generating the results. So how this will work is at the end of your leads finishing this whole scorecard, they will receive some results. The interesting part here is they are able to get value, they're able to detect opportunities, and you help them with those opportunities. And right now I'm going to show you real quick how you can integrate this to other automation workflows. For example, here you can easily just select a webhook, and once you configure that webhook, so let's say someone finished one specific scorecard, and you just include the webhook URL. So in this case, I'm going to use this one as example. You just include a webhook, and then you copy the link and include that webhook. And that's it. I mean, you can set the parameters of either to receive that webhook when it's finished, when it's not finished, and then you can include that information into your CRM or kick off even an outreach workflow to follow up with that lead and see how you can add more value and start the conversation. I hope this was valuable, and let me know what you think. And remember, don't repeat, automate. Bye.